We're at the Bullpen during Bio 2024 week, and I'm James Zanewicz from Tulane Medicine and the Alliance for AI in Healthcare. It's my absolute pleasure to be sitting down with Jen Kilroy from Sequoia Biotech Consulting. Really enjoyed our conversations earlier standing around and excited to get to sit down and share it with everybody else.
Thank you, James. I'm so happy to be here at sunny San Diego today.
I know, right? Well, yeah, June gloom is not so bad today. We're actually getting some sun. It's great. So I wanted to start out by getting to know you a little bit more, Jen. If you don't mind, can you tell us a little bit more about your background and how you got to where you are now?
Yeah, no problem. So, my background academically is all in the people space.
Hmm.
General business undergrad, but specialized in human resources, PhD in management, counseling, diplomas, executive coaching diplomas.
Hmm.
So, really, just academically, my background is in people. But I found a niche in technology and patient care.
Hmm.
So I'm very motivated by the mission of, expanding healthcare, making it accessible to everyone around the globe and extending life, and the quality of life. And so that has led me to work with technical folks. I enjoy the engineering, the science, the numerical side of this industry. And yeah, I guess coming up through Medtronic and Med Device, partnering with some of the acquisitions during that time, as well as some of the drug work that happened on their combo devices.
Hmm.
And then joining Sequoia initially in business excellence. So focused on Lean, Six Sigma, really turning operating systems around for organizations who are looking for better results. And then more recently, leading the entire strategy and programs group here at Sequoia. It's been a great journey. I get to do what I love every day. So very happy in what I'm doing.
Well, you gave us a little bit of insight into Sequoia, but that leads sort of my second question. Can you tell us a bit more about Sequoia Biotech Consulting and what you do on a broader basis beyond just your role?
Sequoia Biotech Consulting, I think, mainly partner with organizations that
Hmm.
are in the life science space. We are comfortable at the full spectrum of life cycle. So that might be early. I was at an incubator yesterday here in San
Oh,
Diego. Yeah,
wow.
that was super fun seeing some guys who were sleeping on sofas trying to make a product, right?
Exciting doing their stuff.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. And then all the way to the large, big pharma med device clients that we have. So I think we try to partner. I think that's what makes us unique
Hmm.
because we don't come in with a cookie cutter approach.
Absolutely.
We don't come in with an approach that's already defined. We really work side by side with our clients to understand what are their needs, what are their context, and how can we partner with them to be successful. And, we've skin in the game. We really think about their results as our results in terms of success. We do that across technical operations, so engineering facilities,
Hmm.
scientific operations, where you're really going to have some deep science capability, as well as, how to translate that into technical writing
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
a general audience can follow, right? Which is a unique skill set in itself. And then we have a quality organization who will really help with phase appropriate QMS, because you don't need a full quality management system when you're starting out, but you need something to start to work with the FDA and the regulatory
Hmm.
bodies. And then lastly, my own area of strategy and programs, which is super exciting. I get to work with organizations who know something's not right with their operating system overall. They're not getting the results they expect. Their teams aren't engaged. Maybe some other symptoms might be they're seeing the same issues repeat over and over again,
Hmm.
or they're uncertain of how to take the next step. And there's a lot of misalignment or brainstorming turning into very little action happening. And in those instances, I have a team of program managers, I have business excellence leaders, change managers, mergers and acquisition specialists, as well as some wonderful program managers as well who really know our devices and our therapies very
Hmm.
well. So that team just goes out and becomes part of these organizations, partners with them, and really helps them to be successful and ultimately, try to change the trajectory of the organization by redesigning the operating system that they have.
And I think one of the things I like about what you just said is that you work with both small,
Yes.
companies who's maybe sleeping on the couch in an
Yes.
incubator to the large companies, which means that when you're working with either, large companies will often partner with smaller companies, and smaller are all hoping to be acquired at some point.
Yes.
But you can give them those perspectives
Yeah.
in a way that many other firms can't, because you do have that breadth of knowledge and experience, which I think goes to what I'm hearing a lot from the Sequoia Biotech team is that you're there to help people and you're really thinking
Yes.
holistically for them.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's something that in our culture, if you come into Sequoia, one of the things you pick up quite quickly is everyone's very helpful to each
Hmm.
other. So internally, I have found that I've learned so much because if I have a question on the science, all the scientists are willing to help me. I can just
Hmm.
pick up the phone and get an answer, right? And that's the approach that we bring to our clients as well. We hire specifically for people who are interested in partnering, interested in collaborating, and interested in helping people. And that's why it's great to be part of the Bullpen here today, because obviously we want to help people to connect with others who are in need of some support, as well as building something for the future. And I think San Diego is a great place to do it. It has a great history of biotech here. And I live in Northern California, and I'm proud to be part of the Bay Area community as well. So yeah, it's a great time to be involved with the Bullpen.
Yeah, and it's that Bullpen mantra: find someone, help someone, repeat.
Yeah.
And I want to give you the opportunity to make your ask for a change. So how can the Bullpen members help Sequoia Biotech Consulting? What can they do for you?
Yeah, great question. First of all, check us out, right? So if you see a Sequoia Biotech person or one of our stands at a show, come over and say hi. We're really friendly, and we're going to really be interested in helping you in that moment before we're even in a business relationship. We're going to be really willing to give some help on whatever you're struggling with. But secondly, tell people about us, because a lot of our clients today, and they love working with us and they keep coming back. Tell some friends, right?
Yeah.
So at Bullpen, maybe spread the word, tell some folks about this San Diego founded business, female founded business, and help us spread the word.
That's fantastic. And again, we're sitting with Jennifer Kilroy of Sequoia Biotech Consulting in the Bullpen at Bio 2024. And if they want to connect with you, Jen, what's the best way for them to do that?
I would say LinkedIn is a great way to reach out to me. I'm pretty responsive on LinkedIn. And after that, I can tell you, do not try to email me, because
You and I are the same anymore. I'm like, text me before emailing me.
Yeah. So LinkedIn, I'm pretty good.
Great. Well, it's been an absolute pleasure sitting and getting to chat with you formally now, and getting to know you a little bit more. And I hope we can do so again sometime.
Yeah, thank you, James. And you've been very helpful here today. Thank you.